All right, everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we can go ahead and view the file details on your SharePoint site. So all you got to do is come over to the destination where the file or files are that you want to see the details for. So for us, we're going to go ahead and look at the details for this employee benefits document. So once we have the this row highlighted, we should see the ellipsis appear. Then we'll scroll down to the bottom right here and click on details. And then we'll see this little sidebar pop out. And this right here is a preview of what the document is. So that's helpful, so you don't have to actually open up the document if you didn't want to. You can see how many views the document has. You can see the dates that you received those views. And the analytics for it. This shows who has access to it. We'll cover this in another video, but this just gives you an idea of what groups are actually able to view and or make changes to the files or file or files. And as we scroll down more, we can see the name. So we can go ahead and change the name here if we want. So that's another way to do it. We can add a title for this entry if we want to. Right now we have a department column available on here, so we can add a department if we want to. We can add additional columns. And then here's where we can see some of the activity as well. So we scroll down, you can see some of the activity for this file. We can copy the path, we can see the size. So this just gives you at a glance kind of all the details that you would need for the file or files on your SharePoint site.